Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. Today in this tutorial, we are going to see how to uninstall MySQL server in from MacBook. So I'll be earlier this I have installed this MySQL server in a video. In my old video, you can go and check it how to install MySQL server. You have to check whether MySQL is installed or not. Let go to your user folder, then under user click on local, then you can see MySQL is there, and here you can see MySQL this 810.39 is installed. So how can we access MySQL server? Then go to on the top on the mark icon, then it to system setting, then you need to go, and on the bottom you can see this MySQL is there. Once you click on this MySQL on the right side, you can see the MySQL server is running. And what you need to do, you need to uninstall. So what is asking also uninstall the preference pan and launch support files. If you want to install all the things, you can click on it so that it will install all the related files related to MySQL. So click on OK, then it will ask for password. You have to give your MacBook password. Then once you get your MacBook password, it will take few seconds. Within a fraction of second, MySQL will be uninstalled. Now let's go to local. You can see in my local folder all the MySQL related files are vanished. So it means MySQL has been successfully uninstalled. Also all the MySQL related files also cleaned from your system. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please don't forget to like my channel.